Hey everybody, John here with Billy and Seafood Guys, home of the Wild Alaskan Seafood Box. Today we are in the kitchen for another episode of Simple Seafood Recipes, and we've got a special guest here today, Gavin, the brand new seafood chef in training.
I'm not a seafood chef.
Hey, what are we making today?
Fine, salmon.
We're making salmon, and not only just a basic salmon recipe, we're doing a really fun salmon sheet pan recipe. So we're gonna show you guys something that's simple, that's easy, that's good. It's a quick recipe you can make for the whole family. We're gonna dig into this. You're gonna like this one. Make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube and visit wildalaskanseafoodbox.com for all your seafood needs delivered to you. Let's get cooking, buddy.
Let's do it.